Hi guys, so this is another video where we're going to show you how to request access to a Facebook page that you want to manage for a client, maybe for social media management, or you want to run ads for the client. So we're going to cover that in this video. Take note, in most cases, if the Facebook page is already connected to the Instagram account, you don't need the login details of the Instagram account. Provided it's connected, you will still be able to run ads that shows on Instagram, or you could also decide that, okay, the next ad I'm going to run on Facebook Ads Manager, I'm going to select only Instagram as the placement. So the major thing is that just request access to the Facebook page and the rest will follow through. So take note, for this particular video, whether the Facebook page you're requesting access to is owned by an individual, it's still the same thing, or the Facebook page has already been claimed by another business portfolio, you can still request access. All right. So take note, you're only requesting access to either manage that business page or to advertise for them. All right. And you're going to do this on the Meta business portfolio, particularly for those of you who are agencies. So this is where you're going to find this video handy. Take note, for this particular one, the Facebook page is owned by another individual or another Facebook profile, or the business portfolio the Facebook page is inside is owned by another individual, not by yourself. Okay? Not by yourself. Take note of this. So before we jump right straight into this video, we're going to separate it because we are also going to make a video on how to accept the invitation. All right. So we want to separate it so that it doesn't confuse our client. This one, we're doing it particularly for you, but the next one, we are cutting it because of our clients. Some of our clients don't need to know how we did it. So they just want to see the invitation, or they just want to know where they can click and accept it. That is why we are splitting this video. All right. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight in. So make sure you've logged in your Facebook account. Then visit business.facebook.com/select. For you to have the plans to request for a Facebook page access through business portfolio, it means you already have a business portfolio. So you can go through this method, business.facebook.com/select, or you go through the normal business.facebook.com, then you search for settings icon at the bottom left. Okay, so this is it, business.facebook.com. Then which of the business portfolio do you want to use? So I want to use Gwrite to request access to the Facebook page. So once this load up, we are still going to find our way to the business settings, okay, or portfolio settings. So you click on these settings. In some cases, you click on this drop down and you'll find it. So next. Okay, so once you make it to this point, the next thing you want to do is to go to pages. All right, so you go to pages, you click on pages. Then you click on add. So you click on add at the top right. Okay, the first one would make you to claim the page. The second one, you're requesting access. You're not really owning it. Why this one? You're creating a new Facebook page. But what you basically need is this one. So you click on request shared access. Okay. So you paste the Facebook name. You can search for the Facebook page name or the page URL if you know it. You can ask your client to send you the URL. If they're using a laptop, this is how to go about it. So you switch into the page, visit your profile picture at the top right. Then you switch into the page, Gwrite Media. So let's assume I want to help my clients to manage Gwrite Media page and run ads on this account, or even social media management. So you click here. It's going to take you to the Facebook page profile. Okay, so you can see we are here now. So now, once you've made it to this point, so you simply click on this link. This is the page profile link. So you copy. I'm also going to show you how to do this on your mobile phone. I think we've made a video about this. If we haven't, I'm going to. So make sure you visit the description section of this video to get more resources. So we go back and paste the page URL or page link. So you select, then click on next. So all you need to give to us is partial access. Then give us leads, just in case we are going to run leads ads for you. Okay, so take note, if in case you don't want to give us all this full access, particularly, just take note, if you want us to run ads for you where we are going to use existing posts, when I say existing posts, that means posts that you've actually published on your Facebook page. We don't only need ads and insights, so we might also need content so that we'll be able to edit the content. That is for those of you that want us to use your existing posts you've published on your Facebook page in particular, or your Instagram professional account. So we might need this 1, 2, 3, 4. With this 4, we are okay. All right. If not, just give us partial access, everything. Then make sure you activate leads. So this one is enough for social media management. Everything that has been ticked here. All right. So once you activate that, you click on confirm. No need to give us full control. But if you want to give us full control, it's still fine. So you click on confirm. So this is how to request access. Then you click on done. Okay, so you have to wait. So your request for access is pending. All right. So once the request has been approved, just reload. So you can see you now have access to it. All right. So then you can assign yourself. Then you give yourself all the access you need. So you can run ads on this Facebook page now. So that's very easy. Then you click on done. All right, guys. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to visit the description section. We always have exclusive resources to help you succeed with meta advertising and so much more. So I'm going to show you another one for a Facebook page that is owned by a business portfolio. This one we did is owned by an individual. So take note, after the owner of the Facebook page has approved your request in business portfolio, you come back here, you reload. Once you reload this page, you'll see that you'll be able to assign yourself. So you can now assign yourself. And that's how easy it is. So you scroll down, select yourself or as many persons as you want to give access to. Then you give access that you need to run ads or to do social media management. Then you click on assign. So visit the description section. We've made other videos that are related to this one. Just go to the description section and read up what is there. And also click on the reference video. It's going to help you succeed in Facebook advertising and so much more across Meta platform, and explore our YouTube channel. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Cheers.